Now we are going to see question number 6. Find the equivalent fraction of 3 by 5, denominator of 20 and numerator of 9. A question, denominator of 20, numerator of 9. But A 3 by 5, 3 by 5 is a fraction. So the denominator is 20 is given. So you have to find the numerator. So how we are going to find out the numerator? So listen. So 3 by 5 is equal to what? Box. That is 3 by 5 is a given question, it's a given fraction. So you have to find the equivalent fraction for this particular given fraction. So numerator you have to find out, but the denominator is given already. So what is this? 3 by 20. So you have to cross multiplication. So 3 into 20. So numerator as well as the denominator. The numerator and the second, this is the first fraction, this is second fraction. This is the equivalent fraction for this. So this also the what is this? This is a given fraction. So you have to find the equivalent fraction for the given fraction. So this is the equivalent fraction. In the first fraction, numerator is going to multiply by the denominator of the second fraction. So 3 into 20 and 5 into box, because there is no numerator. That numerator you have to find out. So if you want to find out the numerator, you have to use the cross multiplication method in this question. So 3 into 20 is equal to 5 into 3 into 20. Numerator and denominator is going to multiply first, and second was the next numerator and the first numerator and the denominator first numerator and the denominator is going to multiply. Next the denominator and also the numerator is going to multiply. In the numerator you have to find out, that is what we are using the cross multiplication method. So 3 into 20 you can get 6 and 5 into the box. Okay, so what is this? 5 into the box, again you have to write. So this 5 is in the multiplication, it goes to the opposite direction. 60 divided by 5 you can get 12. So 60 is divided by 5. So you have to do this. 1 5s are 5, 6 minus 5 1. So you have to bring down the 0. 2 5s are 10, 10 minus 10 you can get what? 0. So what is the answer for this question? The answer is 12. What is this? 12. So you have to write here 12 is the right answer for this question. So numerator you find out. So 12 is the exact answer. Second question is, so 3 by 5. Second question is 3 by 5 again, but in this question the numerator is given, but you have to find out the denominator. So first A question, the same number 3 by 5, but the denominator is given 20, you have to find the numerator. So 3 by 5, the equivalent fraction of the first question is 12 by 20. The next one is B question, 3 by 5, the numerator is given 9, to find out the denominator here. So again you are using the for the second sum also you are using the cross multiplication method. That is, you have to find out the denominator. So cross multiplication method, that is 3 into the given box you have to write, and 5 into 9. So 3 into box you can get what? Now 5 into 9 45. So you have to find out the what? You have to find out the find out the denominator. So you have to write the box 45 as it is equal to 45. This multiplication is go to the opposite direction, it becomes division. So 45 divided by 3 you can get 15 is the right answer. So in this box you must write what? 15. Okay, what is the answer? 15. So here you have to use 15. Okay, 15 is the right answer. So not necessary, because you have to find out, no? So you no need to write it here. Finally you have to write. So here also. So 15 is the right answer. So 3 by 5 is equal to 9 by 15. The denominator you have to find out. In the first question, what? Denominator given. So numerator you have to find out. In the second question, numerator is given. You have to find out the denominator. So 3 by 5. These two are the same numbers. 3 by 5. Here also 3 by 5. These two are the same fraction. And what? You have to find out the equivalent fraction for the same number. Sorry, same fraction. First one is 12 by 20. Second equivalent fraction is 9 by 15. So here what you're going to, you have to, if you want to check the method. So look at this. This 3 here what is this? Numerator. 3 is a numerator and 12 is a numerator. So 12 is divided by 3. You have to 12 is divided by 3, you can get what? 4. Otherwise 3 into 4 you can get 12. Here also 5 into 4 you can get 20. So here what is a number? 3 into 3, that is 9 is divided by 3, you can get 3. Otherwise 3 into 3 you can get 9, and at the same 5 into 3 you can get 15, or 15 is divided by 3 you can get 5. So this particular fraction is multiplied by or divided by 3. Okay, so that is what. So for this for 3 by 5 a question, so this fraction is multiplied by 4 or divided by 4. So this is what, okay, 3 by 5 is multiplied by 4, you can get multiplied by 4. That means the numerator as well as the denominator is multiplied by 4. That is the, what is it? That is the same number. This is the same number, this same number. What is the same number? So which is the same number? 4 is a what? Same number. So this 4 is multiplied by 3 as well as 5, you can get 12 by 20. So otherwise 12 is divided by 4, you can get 3 by 5. Okay, 12 is divided by 4, you can get 3, and 20 is divided by 4, you can get 5. Here also 3 is multiplied by 3, you can get 9, and 5 is multiplied by 3, you can get 15, or 9 is divided by 3, you can get 3, and 15 is divided by 3, you can get 5. So anyhow, so for this these two fractions are similar number, 3 by 5, 3 by 5. These two are what? Same fraction, but you have taken the number, thus that number also similar. So the first question, 4 is multiplied or 4 is divided. Okay, you can use for multiplication or division, that is not an issue. So 4 is multiplied by 3 is multiplied by 4, or 12 is divided by 4. Here 5 is multiplied by 4, or 20 is divided by 4. The second sum, the same fraction, 3 by 5. 3 by 5, 3 is multiplied by 3, you can get 9, and 5 is multiplied by 3, you can get 15, or else 9 is divided by 3, or 15 is divided by 3, you can get 5. So here what? 4, here is a what? 3 is a same number you have taken, okay, for the equivalent fraction. So I think so you understand the concept very clearly. So for this method, 3 by 5, both fractions are similar. So for find the equivalent fractions of the denominator of 20 and numerator of 9. A question, denominator of 20, the answer is 12 by 20. You will find out the denominator is given, you will find out the numerator, the answer is 12. So second question, numerator of 9 is given, so you will find out the what? Denominator, that is 15. So that is what we are using the cross multiplication method. So 3 and 20, numerator and denominator multiply, and again what is this? Denominator and also the numerator, that means the given boxes also multiply. Then 3 into 20, you can get 60. So 5 into the box, this 5 is in the multiplication form, so go to the opposite direction, you can get 60 by 5, you can get 12. So 12 is the right answer. So you will find out the numerator for the first question, A question. The same second sum also the same method, we are using the cross multiplication method, but we find out only the denominator. So 3 into the box is given, because denominator we have to find out, and 5 into 9, 45. Then what is this? So 45, the what you after the product you can get it. So this 3 into the box, this denominator box. So this 3 is go to the opposite direction, so it comes in the division form. 45 is divided by 3, you can get 15. So the denominator is 15. So these two the answer. So numerator is 12 and the denominator is 15. So this is the exactly right answer. I think so you understand the equivalent fraction very clearly. So go through the videos once or twice and subscribe our channel. Thank you.